In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can farm gems fast here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the main way to get gems fast is by farming NPC mobs. The higher level the enemies, the more gems you're going to get. If you have the ability to, you may also want to use a clan like Yamato or Zoldyck since they do boost your gem gains. But while grabbing mobs, you just have to make sure that you're picking up treasure chests. Now, once you reach areas like Shinjuku Island and above, enemies drop way better chests and give you so many more gems inside of those chests. I actually just got a common one from those guys. Obviously, that's not great. But essentially, go into your inventory, find one of these good chests, open it up, and you're going to get, look, 3.3k gems just like so. Obviously, before you are farming, always find the little quest over there first. Like, I could go ahead and interact with this guy, run over here, farm these guys real quick. I'm going to get some extra gems as well. I just realized I was the wrong NPC, so let's just pretend that we didn't see that, right? But another thing that you can go ahead and do is obviously go ahead and run dungeons. You can teleport straight to the dungeon island. Once you're here, just make your way into the middle of this area right here, interact with it, and run any of these dungeons. For example, the Sid dungeon is pretty good. The Rune dungeon or Dumble dungeon also are pretty good as well, because you get gems from enemies and bosses. Same thing with the Infinite Tower on Tower Island. You can do the exact same thing on there. And of course, you could teleport there using any of the teleporters on the map. Constantly running this is going to give you a ton of gems because all the enemies drop it. Boss farming is also pretty good as well. You can find bosses in like Sailor Island, Shibuya Station, Judgment Island, or you could just go to Boss Island, which is right over there, and just consistently spawn them in. But it really is as simple as that. That is the main things that you can do if you want to go ahead and farm gems fast here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.